Fixing paper feed issues on the HP LaserJet MFP M232-M237, M232e through M237e printer series. If your printer does not pick up or feed paper during a print job, the printer might have paper feed issues. Error code 01 or error code 03 will display on the printer control panel. Paper feed issues might result from using ripped, dusty, curled, wrinkled, or bent paper. Use only new, clean, and good quality paper that meets printer specifications. On the front of the printer, lift the input tray cover. Remove the paper from the input tray. Examine the paper you removed, and then remove any pieces that are bent, wrinkled, torn, or a different size or type of paper. Flex the stack of paper and then tap it on a flat surface to align the corners. Load up to 150 sheets of plain paper with the print side facing up into the input tray. Slide in the paper width guides until they rest against the stack. Lower the input tray cover. On the printer control panel, press the Resume button to continue the print job. If you still have an error message, continue to the next step. Depending on the settings, the printer might display an out of paper or tray empty error message, even if the input tray has paper loaded. On your computer, open the document you are trying to print and then click File. Click Print. Depending on the software program, click Printer Properties, Options, Printer Setup, Printer, or Preferences. Under the Paper Quality tab, open the Paper Type drop-down menu and select the paper type. Open the Paper Size drop-down menu and select the paper size. Open the Print Quality drop-down menu and select your preferred print quality. Click OK to apply the settings, and then click Print. If the issue continues and you still have an error message, continue to the next step. Resetting the printer might help clear the error, even if there are no paper feed issues. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord. Unplug the other end of the power cord from the power source. Wait at least 60 seconds. Plug the power cord back into the power source. HP recommends you use a wall outlet for best results. Reconnect the other end of the power cord to the printer. The printer should automatically turn on. If it does not, press the power button. Try to print your document again. If the issue continues and you still have an error message, continue to the next step. Use the automated tool to clean the paper feed and pick rollers inside the printer. On your computer or mobile device, open HP Smart and select your printer. Click Advanced Settings. Click the System tab. If you are not already logged in, click OK and a Windows security box will open. The username is admin and the password can be found on the label in the toner cartridge access area. Lift the printer cartridge door to see the label. Enter your username and password and then click OK. Click Service from the menu on the left. In the Fuser Cleaning Mode area, click Start to begin the cleaning process. Wait for the cleaning process to complete. Try to print your document again. If the issue continues and you still have an error message, continue to the next step. Dust and debris on the paper pick rollers can cause paper pick and feed issues. To clean the rollers, gather a lint-free cloth and distilled or filtered water. Press the power button to turn the printer off. Disconnect the power cord from the back of the printer. Remove the tray cover and all loose sheets of paper from the input tray. Using both hands, rotate the printer on its side so you can access the bottom. Slide the blue latch that secures the access panel. Remove the access panel. Dampen the cloth with water and then squeeze it to remove any excess. Clean the pick rollers with the cloth to remove any buildup or debris. Thoroughly clean the entire roller. Let the roller dry for 10 minutes. Align and insert the access panel. Slide and release the blue latch to lock the panel in place. Using both hands, rotate the printer to its normal, upright position. Reconnect the power cord. Press the power button to turn on the printer. Load paper into the input tray and adjust the paper guides. Lower the tray cover onto the input tray and push forward until it snaps into place. Try to print your document again. If there is still an error on the control panel, continue to the next step. If the issue continues, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options.